When we talk about compact spaces, we tend to shy away from colors, thinking that going this route would make the space overwhelming and cramped. We went the other way around this time, taking the opportunity to prove that a small space shouldn't limit us to live in a spectrum of colors. This studio unit is designed for long-term rent, ideal for 1 to 2 young adults working within or nearby VIDS North area. In this 25 square meter space, we have the entryway, bathroom, and our kitchen. We had to consider zoning areas in this open layout, so we added the dining area here and separated the kitchen and bedroom with a functional divider. We wanted to create a great first impression once someone steps into the unit, so we went for an all-blue entryway, creating a cozy, box-like effect that effectively separates the entryway from the rest of the areas. Once you enter, there's a shoe cabinet nearby that also acts as a small console table and some hooks for accessories such as bags, jackets, and the like. We placed a full-length mirror here, strategically placed near the bathroom and entry so the users can do their quick fit check before heading out. We didn't forget about our bathroom in this pursuit of creativeness, so we took the opportunity to play with the tiles, especially the grout. We matched the shade of blue with the bathroom, playing with terrazzo ceramic tiles and a pop of pastel yellow to keep the space refreshing. At night, this turns into a relaxing space lit by our mirror. My client wanted to have a seat where the users can lounge other than the bed, so we had our bench customized so it includes a storage access below and also a removable cover. We kept the furniture loose and multi-purpose here so the users can relocate them and use it for other intentions easily. My client preferred a full kitchen setup while having a washer-dryer in this area, which was quite a challenge considering that the space is small. We had our ideas, but we had to sort out our priorities to accommodate their requirements realistically. We kept the existing kitchen cabinets and worked our way around it. We adjusted the baseboard height, making way for a washer-dryer below. We changed the countertop to quartz, extended it to create more workspace. We added shelving with task light below and covered the duct for our range hood. We also went for a tabletop induction cooker that they can stow away when not needed, and then we also added a mini refrigerator. To complete the kitchen, we added this half-glass divider to keep the bed area free from any cooking spills. This divider also functions as our headboard, which supports our double-sized bed with lighting and outlet source. We had our bed custom made as well, adding drawers below. We kept a clear path in this unit, making it easy to maneuver around when they need to change sheets. We also used it to our advantage to have a proper zone for our wardrobe and also our productivity or entertainment area. Keeping in mind that this unit can be for 2 people, we went for a large sliding wardrobe that has divisions for 2, then we also have an adjustable TV mount so they can watch it from their bed. The bed is placed towards the balcony, perfect for getting those chill morning views and a slow start to the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.